Losing your sight does not mean losing your independence or control over your life the way you want to live it. The Silver Bells program will teach you how to reclaim your confidence as a partner, parent, friend, and colleague.
Once you start losing your vision, it's very isolating. As I went through the program, I was so enlightened and inspired and hopeful, and it really changed my life. From that point, I wanted to be a part of this and I wanted to help, and now I am a volunteer for Silver Bells, so I hope that's a great testament to my first experience as a participant.
Join us at one of several weekend retreats where you will work with a team of highly vetted trainers. We will teach you fundamental skills in orientation and mobility, home management, communications, and assistive technology.
I try to let people know that technology is not scary. It seems to be a little intimidating, but everything you do can be fixed. If you make mistakes on a computer, we can fix it. If you make a mistake on your phone, if you mess something up, if you delete things, we can put them back again. It can all be put back to its starting point. So you shouldn't be afraid to try and learn different things. You'll be surprised at what it can do for you.
I think the background in counseling that I do bring, first of all, helps me to empathize and connect with the seniors who are losing their eyesight in middle life. I lost my eyesight when I was 48 years old, and I understand the difficulties and the challenges that come with that. I also understand the depth of emotion and the depth of sadness and grief that you have to go through to be able to make that adjustment successfully. And so I think my background in counseling, as well as my background in adult education, helps me connect with the seniors at a wonderful level and, teach them the skills that will help them to improve this area of their life.
You can expect to work in small groups to maximize the learning experience. Every lead instructor is accompanied by assistants to ensure you get as much individual attention as possible.
Home management is very important to anyone, and especially a blind person, because you want to be able to be independent in your kitchen and at home with minimum assistance. Doing this program helps me to pay it forward to the seniors what I have learned through my blindness journey.
When people are done with the program, I really want them to feel like they're in the driver's seat of their life. I want them to have a sense of curiosity about the world and getting back into life, and just know that they can go out and continue learning and building on that foundation we started here.
We have worked with nearly 200 individuals and their families throughout Virginia. We're excited to meet you as well, but if you're still uncertain, consider a few testimonials from former participants.
Just the warmth that I felt and the hope, seeing people do incredible things. I mean, in fact, in my mobility training, I feel like my instructor who cannot see can actually see better than I can with my low vision. I think I'm coming away with a lot more hope and not quite as fearful about what awaits me in the future.
What has resonated with me the most is the caring of the people who are sponsoring this, and also the connections that I feel with the other people here. So I don't know, I guess I could use the word love. It's so good to feel safe. It's so good to feel like I can be real and not be judged.
You pay nothing for participating in our program. If needed, we can provide door-to-door transportation from your home to the hotel. We pay for all your food and lodging. Please do not let finances get in the way of this worthwhile opportunity.
You will be surprised by the things that you will learn, the community that you will become a part of, and the networking opportunities that there will be for you. There is real advantage in becoming a part of a group of people who are like you.
One of the characteristics that sets Silver Bells apart from other programs is that we encourage you to bring a sighted partner, other family member, or close friend. please bring someone you feel could benefit from learning that blindness is not a tragedy and who is willing to support you in your journey.
One of the things as a spouse of a blind individual, I would worry about, how is my husband going to cook at home? How are they going to travel without me? I always felt like I had to be there, and I think going through and experiencing Silver Bells has given me the opportunity to significantly increase my knowledge of what is possible for blind people and to know he's going to be fine.
My wife Michelle is here, and so I've come along to join her for the weekend, and I'm here to learn. I put on a blindfold just a minute ago, and it was terrifying to me, but to see what other folks can do is really amazing. And watching folks eating, managing all the stuff around them, that's incredible. So I am coming away in awe. I see incredible tools, incredible ways of working around things. So yes, much more optimistic than I did coming in here.
Oh, wow, the program is almost over. And I feel a little sadness about that and a lot of excitement about sharing it. I'm excited about getting back to my life, my everyday, with more gratitude for every moment.
When you are going through this journey of blindness and low vision, it is daunting and isolating. And after you complete this retreat, you're going to feel so much differently, and you are going to have so many resources and new connections, and you're going to realize that you are not alone in this journey.
These weekend retreats fill up fast. If you are interested in signing up, please visit nfbv.org/silverbells and fill out the brief application. You will be assigned to the closest weekend retreat in your area. If you have questions, please write to silverbells@nfbv.org or call 703-400-6890. Silver Bells is a program of the National Federation of the Blind of Virginia, and we are thankful to the Virginia Board for the Blind and other funders for generously making it possible for us to bring this unique program to you. Please don't wait. This just might be the best time investment you ever make.